Today I have come down to the beautiful Mount Tambourine in Queensland to drive the brand new Toyota bZ4X Touring. This is a 5-seater fully electric car, and this is like an estate model, so it's got a bigger boot. Let's jump straight in and find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot door of the bZ4X Touring opens and closes at the touch of a button, which is fantastic if you're coming to or from the car, carrying your kids or your things. It's nice and easy. Also, you've got a lock button up there, so you can press that, walk away from the car, and it will automatically lock the whole car. It's fantastic. Now, it does beep as it opens and closes, which may wake your little ones if they're asleep in the back. Underneath the boot floor here, you do only have a puncture repair kit. There's not a spare tyre in here, unfortunately. But you do have a household plug socket on the right-hand side of the boot, and there's some helpful hooks for hanging bags. There's a retractable roller blind in the back here. And I don't have my range of prams with me to test the boot space, but when I have this with my family, I will do the full baby drive testing with a range of prams. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Toyota bZ4X Touring, there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer rear seats. They are not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top-tether anchorages for all 3 rear seats. They're on the back of the seat backs and easily accessible through the boot. Now, the good news is for families, I could fit 3 child seats across in the back here, which is brilliant news. 3 forward-facing or rear-facing child seats fit. With forward-facing child seats, at least a 186 centimetre or taller driver can fit in the front there, or with rear-facing child seats, about a 182 centimetre driver can fit in front, maybe slightly taller. Now, there's only a slight hump in the central seat footwell, making it really nice and easy for passengers to access their seat. Also, being the touring model, the roofline is nice and flat, and there's 48mm of extra headroom there, which is excellent news for your lanky teenagers. When it comes to safety in the Toyota bZ4X Touring, it has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 86% for child occupancy and 88% for adult occupancy. It has 8 airbags as standard, including side curtain airbags that extend to the second row. Rear passengers are kept nice and comfortable in the back of the bZ4X Touring. There are air vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep little passengers the right temperature while you're driving along. And there are USB-C sockets for the rear passengers to charge their devices. Handles above both the rear doors can hang a toy for rear-facing infants to keep them entertained on long journeys, and there's a light in the central ceiling so you can see what you're doing when you're fastening your kids' harnesses at night. The Toyota bZ4X Touring is a great electric car to drive. It feels like a solid vehicle first and electric second, and doesn't have that flimsy spaceship feeling that a lot of EVs do. You're not overrun with tech, and everything is easy to use. It has a battery range of around 488 kilometres, which is enough for most families' commutes, school runs and extracurricular commitments for a week without having to recharge. I have loved driving the bZ4X Touring today. The legroom in the back is fantastic for families with those 3 child seats installed. The increased headroom is great for your lanky teenagers as well. That increased boot space is perfect for fitting prams in the back, or your shopping or your camping gear, and the drive is fantastic as well. I can't wait to drive this with my family on board in the coming weeks, put it through our full baby drive testing, including a range of prams in the boot and child seats in the back.